Your skin already knows how to heal itself. So what if skincare could remind it how? Today we are talking about one of the most powerful science-backed ingredients in skincare, Epidermal Growth Factor, simply abbreviated EGF. Hi, I'm Kevin Kosa, and welcome back to Skin Functional, where we break down skincare ingredients so you know exactly what you're putting in your skin and why it works. Simply put, epidermal growth factors, or EGF, are naturally occurring proteins in your skin. Their job? To tell the skin when to grow, repair, and regenerate. Think of EGF as a messenger. It doesn't exfoliate your skin, it doesn't hydrate it, it communicates with your cells and tells them to behave like younger, healthier skin. Why EGF matters as we age. When we are young, our skin produces plenty of growth factors. But as we age, especially after our mid-20s, that production slows down. This leads to slower skin repair, fine lines and wrinkles, loss of firmness, dull, tired-looking skin. Topical EGF helps support that natural repair process, encouraging skin renewal where it starts, at a cellular level. What EGF actually does for the skin. In skincare, EGF is known to help with improving skin texture, supporting collagen production, reducing the appearance of fine lines, and enhancing the overall skin resilience. It is especially popular in most procedure skincare because of its role in skin recovery and regeneration. Who should use EGF? EGF is ideal if you are concerned about aging or early aging, recovering from treatments like peels or microneedling, dealing with compromised or stressed skin, looking to improve skin quality, not just treat surface issues. And because EGF works by supporting the skin, it is suitable for most skin types when formulated correctly. What skin functional products are formulated with EGF? By now, you all know that at Skin Functional, we want you to have a balanced, happy, and healthy skin. We have two great products formulated with EGF, and they are Collagen Plus, formulated with matrixyl, EGF, and peptides, our hero anti-aging serum. Regenerative Cream, formulated with 10% EGF plus 4% exosomes. Both of these products are multifunctional, giving you more than just anti-aging benefits. It also gives you rejuvenation. At Skin Functional, we believe that skincare should be functional, evidence-based, and transparent. EGF isn't about quick fixes. It is about helping your skin function the way it was designed to. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for our next video. EGF versus peptides versus retinol. You don't want to miss this one. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, please subscribe to our channel and you will be notified every time we release new content. Bye for now.